My name is Phillips of Elemental Healing Arts. I'm a licensed acupuncturist, but I also do acupressure, and today I want to talk about that. It uses the same meridians and points as acupuncture, but it activates them with the power of your hand. I begin almost all of my treatments with at least some acupressure. Usually I start with the feet, where there are many powerful grounding points. This is a nice way to make initial contact with the patient, and it helps them arrive and start to relax. Acupressure is really like a conversation. And the secret to a good conversation, if you don't know, I'll tell you, it's listening, right? Just like your friends love to be listened to when they want to vent, the body really wants to be heard, and in this day and age it maybe doesn't get the opportunity. So just touch itself is therapeutic for the patient, but also by tuning in I can get a lot of information by feeling how and where the body holds tension. If the skin is tight or soft, hot or cold, I can start to make my diagnosis using the elemental principles of Chinese medicine.
I definitely came in with more energy and emotion going on in my head, and the acupressure really brought that energy down. All of the grounding points that Phillips used were perfect. They were spot on.
7 months ago, I was riding my mountain bike, took a right turn on asphalt, blew the back tire, and broke the femur of my right leg. They did surgery on me, and over the course of those months, I developed a sciatica up and down my hip. And I came to see my friend Phillips to see what he had up his sleeve, and he did some acupuncture on me and some acupressure. In the course of 2 treatments with his magical process, he has basically brought my pain level down to 0.
Over millennia of experimentation, the ancient masters mapped out the meridian system, which shows how the energy flows in the body. For instance, if you're experiencing pain in your wrist and numbness in, say, your thumb and your index finger, we treat you along this whole channel that runs up the arm, since the compression could be happening at the elbow or even up in the shoulder or neck. Just by holding these points gently and persistently, the body naturally starts releasing, and layer after layer of tightness, tension, and stuck energy comes undone. It's quite miraculous. Sometimes I might employ more of a massage, opening up the arm and shoulder and massaging down the inside of the arm to release the blocked energy, or qi as we call it.
I'm a cashier and I overuse my arms all day. So Phillips was able to massage the overworked muscles and they felt better immediately. I recommend that if you are in a career or whatever you do, if you overuse a muscle, acupressure could really help that.
We might do some orthopedic tests. Feel that? Right in there, okay. And then we combine that with Chinese medical massage to release muscle tension and increase circulation in the body. Right in there. This gives me all sorts of really good diagnostic information about what part of her body needs more attention.
In Phillips' studio, there was a quietness, a welcoming quietness that I found myself just able to breathe, not fill the room with chatter, and to experience the whole session with calm and quiet energy.
Most of us have a lot going on in our head, so I'll often close a treatment with some acupressure here, similar to cranial sacral work. This is very gentle massage that helps release stuck energy and drop away from the old thought loops. This is when I'll bring in my Reiki and my medical Qigong specialty, which is a soothing and powerful way to touch upon the subtle energetic layers and balance the whole system.
It really was powerful, and he does some Reiki and energy healing, medical Qigong that he does at the end, which I find to be very relaxing, and He just moves with his intuition, which I really appreciated, and we really just, I feel like he's a great fit for me. And I think he could really meet a lot of people where they are.
And I start to feel right away my liver like moving, popping, without him touching, and it was really deep. And I totally relax.
The acupressure seems like it's really been good for me, and I've been able to practice a little on my own with it.
So as a Chinese medical practitioner, I have many tools to offer you besides just acupressure. From a 4,000-year-old tradition. Of course, we're famous for needles. We also do cupping and moxibustion. And we do exercise as well, including Qigong, which is one of my specialties. We can also get into nutrition and herbs and supplementation, and even into emotional work through the 5 elements. So every treatment is completely customized to meet you, your needs, and your health goals. And my role is really just here to help you transform into the best possible version of you. So really, the sky is the limit.
My session with Phillips was one of the most powerful sessions I've ever had.
I left feeling relaxed, like I was floating.
I'm more ready to come back into the world again. And
Feeling like I'm flowing with life now.
Just bringing to me and bringing to the environment this peacefulness and this sense of love.